Hello everyone, welcome to Promine's AutoCAD tips and tricks. This week we'll be going over two commands that are very useful for spacing out your polylines in an evenly distributed way. The two commands are the measure and the divide functions. They're very similar in terms of what they do. The main differences, you'll be able to see the main differences just as I demonstrate them. So starting off, we're just going to draw a polyline linking this point here to that point, and then we'll draw another one from over here to here. And then for the first polyline, I have some blocks inserted. So for the divide and measure commands, you can either use blocks or you can use a standard, which is points. So what this will do is it'll divide your segment into equal parts and insert a block at the insertion point. So this is easiest if you follow these steps. So divide, then select your polyline. Then how many segments do you want to choose is how many divisions you want to have in your polyline. Now you can select a block. If you look here at the bottom, I'm going to choose an A-stat block, which is a station block. It's one of our standard ones inserted into this drawing. You can also create your own blocks in the block editor and then insert them by just inserting the name here into the command. So A-stat, and then align object. This means it's going to be aligned with a rotation angle according to where it's going to be inserted on the line. If you press no, it will just insert it with a 0 rotation angle. So we're just going to go with yes, and then the number of segments, say we have, we're going to split it into 8 segments. It'll insert one block at an equal distance along this line, so that it's split into 8 equal parts. So this part here, up to this station, is equal to this part. Now the measure does a similar function. Just demonstrate it on the other polyline. And again, specify the length of the segment, so how long do you want each segment to be. Or in the division command, you would be specifying how many divisions you want. So if you're going for length, you use the measure command. If you're going to divide it into a specific number of segments, use the divide command. So again, we're going to pick our block, so we'll use A-stat again. That's the easiest one to see. We'll align it with the block. And the length of each segment, say, we'll make it 5. And so now every 5 unit lists will have one block. So that concludes our tip for the week. If you guys have any questions or suggestions for another topic, please send them to us through the comment section below. And thank you for watching.